Today we're going to give you a little demo on a brand new technology. It's good for bits with 1/4 inch shanks, usually for detailing or small shaping bits. The really cool thing is that it's battery operated. This thing comes with 2 batteries and a charger. It has 25,000 RPMs and there's no cord. You can take it on deliveries, you can take it to Europe, you can take it someplace where 110 power doesn't work. It's pretty amazing. It's the beginning of a whole tool revolution. Soon, hopefully, we'll have a lot of die grinders that are cordless, chainsaws that are cordless, and it's a pretty exciting new tool.